What if I told you there is a new kind of computer being built right now that doesn't just think? It explores an entire universe of possibilities all at once. ये कोई science fiction नहीं है. It is called quantum computing and it will soon change our world. But what is it really? इस concept को समझना थोड़ा मुश्किल है. But today we are breaking it down in simple language in 5 easy parts. Part 1. The computer you know. First, let's think about the computer or phone you are watching this on right now. It thinks in a very simple way using something called a bit. समझ लो, a bit is like a light switch. या तो फिर वो on होगा जिसको हम बोलेंगे 1 या फिर होगा off जिसको हम बोलेंगे 0. That's it. Every photo you see, every app you use is built from these billions and billions of tiny switches just flipping on and off. To solve a complex problem, a classical computer tries every possibility one by one. It's powerful, but for some problems, one by one approach could take thousands of years. But क्या हो अगर ये सारी possibilities एक साथ हो जाए? Part 2. This is where quantum computing comes in. Instead of a bit, it uses qubit. Forget the light switch. A qubit is more like a spinning coin. जब coin spin हो रहा होता है तो it appears कि heads and tails दोनों same time पर हैं. This both at the same time state is real quantum phenomenon called superposition. Because of this, a quantum computer's power grows exponentially. While a computer with 3 bits can only hold one 3-digit number like 101, a quantum computer with 3 qubits can hold 8 possible combinations all at the same time. But it gets even weirder and more powerful. Quantum computers have another trick up their sleeve, which is called entanglement. This is where you link 2 qubits so they behave in a single entity, no matter how far apart they are. इसको समझने के लिए imagine we have 2 magic coins that are entangled. I give one to my friend who flies it to other side of the planet. हम दोनों same time पर coin उछालते हैं. And the moment I look at my coin and see it landed on heads, I instantly know without a doubt that my friend's coin landed on tails. This connection is immediate. Albert Einstein इस बात को famously बोलते हैं spooky action at a distance. This spooky interconnected web is what allows quantum computers to perform calculations that are mind-bogglingly complex. So, what's the big deal about quantum computing or quantum computers? Okay, qubits and spooky action, सब cool है. But what does it mean in the real world? Imagine you are trying to navigate a massive city-sized maze. A regular computer would try every single path one by one, hitting dead end after dead end until it finds the exit. And this could take forever. A quantum computer, thanks to superposition, can explore all the possible paths simultaneously and give you the right path in an instant. It doesn't just find the answer faster, it sees the entire problem in a way our regular computers simply cannot. Part 5. The future is quantum. Companies like IBM, Google, Microsoft and Amazon have already unveiled quantum chips and published their research. Now comes an important question. Will a quantum computer replace your phone or a laptop? No. They won't be used for browsing or sending emails. Quantum computers are specialized tools for solving humanity's biggest challenges. Things like drug discovery, climate change, and artificial intelligence. Quantum computing is still in its early days. जैसे 1960s में classical computers होते थे. But it represents a quantum leap in our ability to understand and shape the world around us. So what part of quantum computing blows your mind the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more explainers like this, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.